It's morning.
It is.
Isn't it morning? Day 121.
121.
What?
Rather brisk morning.
It is a bit chilly, but then we are in amongst mountains,
Yes.
so the sun doesn't get everywhere at once.
1,000.
These cars are iced over.
They are iced over, I was just thinking that. 1,700 metres above sea level.
Yes, which is quite high for those keeping score. Today we are off to, is it Ouzoud Falls?
I think.
Ouzoud, some weird falls.
Hopefully there is some water in these waterfalls.
Oh, that's a point. It is quite a way. It's 3.5 hour
Yes.
drive. It will be a long day, but hopefully the waterfalls work. Dargo is again with us, although she seems to be very happy in her bag, which is nice. Because we won't be taking her out to see the waterfalls, because water is her natural enemy. We found the waterfalls.
We did. There they are. Very waterfally.
We've finally seen some monkeys. They're macaws from Gibraltar. Macaques, sorry. Macaws are parrots.
A parrot.
Macaques. And we saw those in Gibraltar. So, although in Gibraltar you get fined for feeding them, here you have children selling you nuts to feed them. Very different approach.
Yeah.
You see how much a boat is? So Moya's been getting a paint job, which is going to take a few days. So for a few days we rented a vehicle.
We did.
To take us out towards Marrakesh, and this is what we got. This is the Dacia Logan. My word, Moroccan model in that it's everywhere. Look at this. Yes. Yeah. Lots of dead insects on it. The guy was very proud of it.
Yeah.
He was very happy to tell us.
Brand new, don't you know?
It's brand new. It had 2,500 kilometres on the clock when we got it.
I think we've almost doubled that.
We've almost doubled that now.
In like 2 days.
But this was our whip. Dargo's in there. She hasn't got as much room. But we're going back now to see how Moya's doing. So we've got like a 6-hour drive-ish ahead of us. Yeah. We're going to take it easy because there's plenty of scenic things to see and do.
So we might never get to see again.
May never see them again. Had a nice stay in Abid's house.
Yeah.
What it was. Now it's back to the van for further adventures. We still can't go anywhere yet.
Not yet.
Still can't drive anywhere, but we can't have hotels forever. Although we will tomorrow. Yeah. And that's a different story. it's day 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
We are back in Tafraoute.
Yeah.
You will notice this is not the van. Cargo is. Oh, look at that. And back down again.
Just forced through.
See, we were supposed to be waking up at the Airbnb outside of Marrakesh today, but the night before last, we had a message sent to us from the Saeed at the garage, said the van won't start. Now the thing with Moya is you have to wait for the globe bulb icon to. Sorry, you have to wait for the globe bulb light to go off, and then you have to count to 3, 5 if it's particularly cold, and then start her up. If it doesn't start up, do it again, she'll start up.
That's not because there's something wrong with Moya, that's literally because she's an old diesel engine.
It's an old diesel engine, yes. Difficult to explain that to people when English isn't their first language. We've been communicating to him in French, which isn't his first language either.
No.
It's Arabic. Because we were a bit worried, or we would be worried, we thought we would come back. They still can't get it started. They don't seem to know what they're doing.
They really don't seem to know what they're doing.
The engine is clearly flooded.
They flooded the engine. I'm worried that they're going to destroy the starter motor. They thought it was the battery, but it's clearly not. Because, as I said, when you've got a flat battery, the engine starts to turn over, but then slowly it's losing power, and it dies.
Yeah.
It was not doing that yesterday.
No, the lights come on.
Yeah, the lights
Central
are
locking
on,
works.
the radio works, everything like that works. It's not the battery. But, being where we are, a woman's opinion is the same as a cow's opinion. It's a moot point. It's a moot point, Ben. What I think has happened is that they don't know how to start an old diesel engine. So they've tried to start it and then kill the battery. And thought it must have been the battery all along.
Yeah.
Whereas I think it's the immobiliser.
Well, because this morning they put another battery, they brought their mate's truck round, put his battery in, and that was even worse.
Exactly.
And he drove there.
Exactly.
So it's not the battery. We suspect it's the immobiliser.
Yeah.
It's on the verge of starting.
Yeah, it
It's not
turns
gonna
over
start.
fine.
Yeah.
It just won't start, which, with the immobiliser light being constantly on,
Yeah.
when you're trying to start it,
Yeah.
that tells me that it's the immobiliser.
We told the guys at the garage, we said, look, just do the paint, charge our battery back up,
Yeah.
put it back in, and just do the painting.
Yeah.
The paint's starting to go on today. We're going to go over there a bit later on and have a look. We're hoping it's just the battery in the fob is a bit low, so the immobiliser, it wasn't sending out the signal to the immobiliser. If that's not it, if we still can't get it started, we've got to leave it there until they finish painting. The other garage just said that they can call in a specialist from outside of Tafraoute,
If need be.
to get it sorted.
Yeah.
If not, we do have our insurance, and they can take us to a garage. This other place will tell them the best place to go.
Yeah.
Saeed still wants to help and get it started, which I appreciate, but they don't know what they're doing.
No. The way that he was trying to start the engine, that's the way that, like, someone brand new to driving tries to do.
Yeah.
I'm stood there like, come on, people. Like, even I know that that's wrong. And again, because I'm a woman, it doesn't count. It doesn't matter what I say.
You're just getting hysterical.
I ended up getting quite angry. I lost my rag.
Well, someone told you to calm down.
Yes, that didn't help.
Never tell anyone really to calm down.
Don't tell anybody who's
like,
clearly angry to calm down. You're messing with my home.
But in the meantime, on a more positive note, we took the rental car back. That's all sorted. We have our £5 deposit back. But because there were showers at the place we were stopping outside Marrakesh. But they were communal, and there was like a whole corridor, and there were families, and it's 3 rooms full of people sharing a shower and toilet room.
With the family that also lives there.
Yeah, so we didn't feel too comfortable. So we got this place in Tafraoute. It's the whole apartment with a shower and Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is us for the day. We can actually get some work done. I need to sit and make a video, which will probably be about 3 or 4 videos before this one. Something happening outside. Oh, it's okay, doggo. So this is us for the day. We don't have to be out of here until 12 o'clock tomorrow.
Yeah.
Which gives us a nice break. We are going to pop back in the van later, see how the painting is coming, and Try and start her.
Yeah.
If she's not starting, then it's a whole new.
We'll deal with that then.
We'll deal with that.
Step by step.
Step by step. Positive thoughts. So it's now day 129.
129.
We are officially in the Sahara Desert, as shown by the desertness. Although people do have tree farms here, so you will notice Moya is a new colour. The idea was to get the colours of the Catavan logo, but apparently a colour swatch out here is just a guide. It's actually supposed to be orange here instead of red, but it's red. We wanted a bit of a brighter yellow and a bit of a deeper green, but whatever. We have inadvertently coloured our van the colours of many, coincidentally, African nations. None of them quite have the flag like that. I think if the van was stood on its back and had a star in the middle of the red, it would look like Cameroon or someone similar. But anyway, she's done. They did all the they touched up the bodywork as well. So around here, well, they did miss something. The dent there they missed, but there was a huge scratch all down here, which we had from the previous owners had done that, or someone had done that. That's now, like, you can't, they filled it in, smoothed it out, painted over it, so the bodywork looks better. So we had all the vents done. They sprayed all the bottom, including the wheels, black, but by their own admission, after we asked for a second coat, the black paint was crap. It comes off, and it's coming off already. She looks new, looks nice. She stands out, we won't lose her. But the reason we got her painted in the first place, well, we wanted